Today we're going to talk to you about presets for your wine cellar. Your wine cellar is divided into two sections, the top section and the bottom section, divided by the control panel. Now if you want to set specific temperatures for the top or the bottom, you go over to this section here for the top. Here we have assorted, champagne, white, or sweet wine. Now today we're just going to stay assorted. And then over here for the bottom section we have red wine, also champagne, white wine, and sweet wine. So for today we're going to leave the different temperature settings. The top will be left at sweet wine and the bottom will be left at red wine. And that's how you use your advanced temperature settings on your wine cellar.